I bet he won't give us the TDS of Bajormi. Well, it's not a secret. It's on the flipping label. Do you know what I mean? Hey, look. Sorry, you can't see. There. That's what it is. So all natural waters will show you a typical analysis, because as producers of natural water, we want you to know that you're buying natural water. So here we've got Bajormi. This is the typical analysis. TDS just under 4,000. You can see that at the bottom there. Dry residue, 180 degrees Celsius, 3905. So that's the overall measurement of minerals in the water. And then the typical analysis is going to give you the headline main minerals, because it couldn't give you the complete breakdown, because that's probably 10 pages long in the case of Bajormi. So in the case of Crag, 120 TDS, our report is about 5 or 6 pages long of trace minerals. So the point of the typical analysis is to give you the headline minerals, electrolytes, so that you know what it is you're getting. So if you have a look here, really, it's super high in calcium, magnesium, especially sodium. So if you look at that, 1,550 milligrams per litre. So that's 1.5 grams of salt per litre, which is why I urge everybody not to add salt to water unless you know how much salt is already in that water naturally occurring. And so on and so forth. So really that's just like a highlight of what's going on within the water. And the way I look at it is, it's almost like TDS is the weight of a cake, and then the ingredients list is the composition of the cake. And that's kind of the same thing in the world of water. So TDS, dry residue at the source, is the weight of the cake, and then the analysis is the breakdown, the composition of those minerals of that TDS. Hopefully, Yakshimash Dobja, that makes sense in it. But yeah, a funny, strange comment, and a pleasure to correct it. Yakshimash Dobja, high five.